Hi everybody, this is Brent Stevens again. Welcome to another Zingbooks tutorial. This is a quick and easy tutorial. I just wanted to go over and show you when you're a new member and you sign up for a Zingbooks account, you can expect to receive this email here. As you can see, it is from support@zingbooks.com. Okay, the subject says welcome to Zingbooks. The to email would be the email address that you put in. Obviously, when you put in an email address, it needs to be your point of contact email address. Some people would use their parents. Some people may have their own email. Okay, so be aware of that. We have our logo here. In this instance, we say, "Hi, Jenny. Welcome to Zingbooks. We're excited to have you on board. We are working to create the best experience possible, and your feedback is important to us. If you have any requests or find a bug, please let us know. Your username is J Thompson," and then you can click this button here to open up Zingbooks. Okay, and it'll take you right into your account, which is pretty cool. So that's really all there is to this. I just wanted you guys to be aware that you can expect upon sign up an email, and if you have any questions, again, contact us at support@zingbooks.com or use our live chat and email feature. Thank you and have a great day.